قد هان
شعت كنجم في الدجى ومضت كبرق في السماء نحن هنا نحن هنا.
I'm delighted to have the opportunity to give this first talk, and it's a real honour to be here, here in Riyadh. I'd like to thank Dr. Hamza for the kind invitation and congratulate you on organising what is clearly such an impressive conference. This is going to be really important for bringing communities together globally, to bring our fields together in metagenomics and microbiome, because of the impact that we can have on healthcare and in preventing infections, and particularly through the microbiome, the way that can impact across the whole body to impact the whole of medicine. So I'm looking forward to meeting a lot of people here today and sharing the experience on this journey that we're on. So I'm not going to introduce metagenomics to this audience, and also, thank you. I'm really going to talk about our own journey. So I'm not going to review the literature, and I know there's people in the room here who are making significant contributions, but given the time that I have, if you will permit me, I will just focus on the efforts that we have been making in trying to translate the promise of the research into metagenomics into something that can help patients. Now, one thing I do believe in this journey is that it's really important for everybody who needs to be involved to start from the start together. So that includes the intensivists on the far right-hand side there and the patients who ultimately will need to benefit, your microbiology and infectious diseases colleagues who will provide the service and the advice to the intensive care units, your scientists in the clinical laboratories who will then ultimately be delivering those services, as well as folk who are working in the research laboratory, developing the workflows that can make the difference. So some of the work I talk to you today about will be basic research done in a research lab under research ethics. But then when we go into some pilot service evaluations, that isn't research anymore. That is evaluating a pilot service to understand what impacts it has on patients. We've funded by lots of different groups along the way. And just to say again, I've stopped almost all my clinical work now just to focus on this. And I've joined Oxford Nanopore on a part-time basis, essentially so I can help forge the links between industry, academia and healthcare.
معكم بكل مناسبات مثل غيث قد هان